Hey, what's up YouTube? You know, it's your boy Mr. Stocks on the Go, and we are back with a brand new video, guys, a brand new portfolio update. Please go ahead, smash the like button, tap on the notification bell, and pound on that subscription button, guys, just so you're locked in with the channel, you're locked in with all the updates and what we're going on with over here. Also, guys, if you'd like to support the channel just a little bit more, guys, you can check out the links in the comment section, and also it will be in the description. I have a link in there for Wealthsimple Trade, whereas if you sign up, start your investment journey today with Wealthsimple Trade, deposit just $1, guys, and you will get a $25 cash coupon to help you out on your investment journey. Also, MooMoo Canada has a promotion going on also, whereas if you deposit, I think it's up to $50 or $100, you get $50 back, and it also helps out with the channel. So with that being said, guys, let's jump straight into the portfolio. Last week was a very exciting week. Pretty much green for the entire week, with the exception of, I think, probably 2 down days or 1 down day, I'd say. But so far, the portfolio has been progressing perfectly, guys. And I just like to put this out there. This is a public portfolio. I also have two other portfolios. I have one with Questrade and I have one with MooMoo Canada, guys. This is my public portfolio. I do hold a lot more funds in my Questrade account. My MooMoo Canada portfolio is a little bit newer, which I started the ending of last year. But my Wealthsimple Trade public portfolio, it's basically strictly to help individuals with a regular job, just doing a 9 to 5, showing you that it is possible to grow your wealth from whether it's $10, $15 to 15K, right, guys? And that's the goal of this channel, is to show the regular person that, hey, you can do it too. I know a lot of these investors, a lot of other investors, they'll come and they'll boast on with their 100K portfolio or 25K or 50K portfolio, but what good is that for the regular guy with $100 to invest or $50 to invest? Where do they start? So that's why I built this channel, to help out the regular guy. Me and you working a 9 to 5, you probably not working every day, or you have a part-time. This is a channel for you guys. All right, so with that being said, let's jump straight into the portfolio. We're going to start with the Canadian holding, guys, and just to kick it off, the portfolio is let me just give you the update. The portfolio is sitting at a currently $7,868.86. All right, guys, so let me just show you there. Hopefully you guys can see it. That's on the Wealthsimple, because as you know, the portfolio is split with the Canadian holdings and the US holdings. So on the desktop app, on the desktop platform, it's not going to show you the total combined that you have with both Canadian and US holdings, so it won't give you that total. So I just showed you guys the total. So let's jump straight into the holdings. Let's check out the 1 day. So the 1 day with the Canadian holdings, we're down $37, which is 1%. On the 1 week, we are down 1%, same $22. On the 1 month, we are up 6%, $165.93. Oh, sorry. The 3 month, we are up 9%, $247.29. And the 1 year, we are up 8%, $235.04. All right, all time, it's the same thing. So let's jump into the holdings and let's check out what's going on over here. I do have a new stock that I added to the portfolio, which is Atlas Engineered Product Limited. It is a penny stock, guys, but yeah, this penny stock has been on a run of recent, and I'm not saying I got in late, but there's still time. Analysts have a price target on the high for $2.50. It's currently sitting at $1.57. I think I have an average price of $1.53. So I just picked up 30 shares. I'll be looking to pick up another 70 shares in the week. Not trying to go too much in on it as yet. Hoping for a pullback to at least 140, 130, $1.30 or $1.40, and then I would decide to allocate some more funds to this holding. And guys, with every penny stock that I do mention, please remember that they are super risky. So please, before investing in any of these companies, do your own research. All right, guys. So as you can see, it has a market cap of 87 million. So it's very small company, but they are doing some good stuff, guys. If you look at the 5-year chart, so that's a nice 5-year chart right there. I can just imagine investors at 25 cents picking up this a share, 25 cents, 22 cents picking up a share. That would be amazing. So congrats to all the Atlas engineered product shareholders who have been picking up from in the 25 cents, 30-cent range. You guys are super up right now. And let me know in the comment section also if you own this company. So moving on, guys. As I said, I'll be looking to pick up 70 more shares in the near future. Next off, we have ATD, and I think they have their ex-dividend day coming up in a couple of weeks. So I'll be looking to pick up some more shares of ATD, just to level it off. It has been doing pretty good. It has been moving up to the $84, $86 range. I still do see it lingering around this for another month or so. So with that being said, I'll try to pick up some shares with that time. And we are currently up 8.47% in ATD, and in AEP, which is Atlas Engineered Products, we are up 2.75%. So going over to Constellation Software, guys, it had been lagging for about 3 weeks. It finally broke through the 3,800 mark, and now it's sitting at 3,853. And yeah, we're up 2.3%. And guys, when it comes to Constellation Software, I'm never really worried. With a great management team, great business, I can see Constellation Software surpassing $4,000 before the end of this year. That's just my opinion. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? What will be the price of Constellation Software by the end of the year? It's currently sitting at $3,853. All right. Next off, we have Hammond Manufacturing Corp Limited, and that goes with the ticker symbol HMMA. And it's currently sitting at $12.57. We have 28 shares. We are down 4.06%. Not really worried. Hammond Manufacturing Corp rarely pulls back, guys, and I think I have an average cost of around $13.12, if I'm not mistaken, or $13.10. Yeah, $13.10. So I will be looking to pick up some more shares in the $12 range. Hopefully I can bring down that average cost to around $12.80, $12.90, and we'll move from there. But I do see a big future with Hammond Manufacturing Corp. All right, so next off, with Hammond Manufacturing Company Limited. All right, guys, so next off we have Lumine Group, and Lumine is currently sitting at $37.50, and we have 11 shares. We're currently up 17.02%. And since I bought into Lumine, it has just been on a rip, guys. Great company. It's also another spin-off of Constellation Software. I own all three companies, which is Constellation Software, Lumine, and Topicus. As I said, great management and excellent business. So as you can see, Lumine has just been performing amazing, like amazing, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you own shares of Lumine. We have a average price of $32.05, and as I said, I'm looking to pick up more shares. I'm not sure if it will pull back. Hopefully it does, and I'll be able to do that, and I'll bring down my average cost. If not, I'll have to average up. But that's what you do with great companies, right, guys? Never be afraid to average up into your uh, holdings if you realize that it is a great company and it will continue to do good. All right. Next off, we have Topicus, and Topicus is currently sitting at $123.84. We have 3.2658 shares. We're currently at up 13.83%. And Topicus, again, another spin-off of Constellation Software, has just been performing amazing, guys. Since they had their earnings call back earlier this month, it's just been on a rip. Stock has just been on a rip. So it was down here. I bought in around these prices, 106, 108. And since then, it has just took off, guys. I haven't really got a chance to buy it on the dip, but I have been picking up small amounts, fractional shares. We currently have an average price of 108.80, and I'll continue to buy into this position. As I said, guys, a great company. 5 years down the line, most of these companies that you hold in your portfolio, where will they be? What can you or where do you think they'll be? Because nobody has a magic ball, but we can just make a reasonable judgment, right? And with Topicus, I think Topicus will be one of those great performers for the next 5 years to come. All right. Next off, we have ZSP, and if you don't know ZSP, guys, the S&P 500 ETF. My favorite when it comes on to ZSP or VFV, I prefer ZSP. Reason being, easier to accumulate shares, and they actually hold the stocks. They actually hold the actual stocks in this portfolio, in this ETF, instead of just holding another ETF, which VFE does. VFE just holds VOO, and I prefer it this way. It's just my opinion, and I'm kind of OCD when it comes on to the 0.00001s in our gains and our earnings. And since inception, ZSP has delivered more than VFE in returns overall. So that's something that you could just look into. All right, guys. So that's it for the Canadian holdings, and let's move over to the US side of things. And with ZSP, guys, we are up 9.10%. So it has been performing great. I think I have an average cost of $69. Yeah, $69.88. And I'll be picking up another share this week. Yeah, ZSP is one of those ETFs that you just continuously put money into. You don't have to look at it what day it is. I just make deposits into it. All right. So we're going over to the US side. Let's check out the US holdings. So on the 1 day, guys, we are up 0%, which is $1. On the 1 week, we are down 0%, which is $11. I'm not sure how that works out, but on the 1 month, we are up 3%, which is $106. And the 3 month we are up 1%, which is $38. On the 1 year, we are up 1%, which is $52.18. And I think that would be the same for the all time. Yes. So let's check out the holdings, and I'm just going to give you a little thought into what my plan is for this week when it comes on to my US holdings. So right now we currently have 2 shares of Apple, which I did buy in the week. I think my average cost is $185. We're currently down 3.14%. But guys, Apple is one of those companies which I think I will start aggressively buying inside of this portfolio, as I see that Apple is starting to make a little more steps or a little more progress towards AI. And we all know when Apple does things, they just do it perfect, guys. So I am really anticipating that, and I think that we will get some better news into what Apple is doing with AI later on in this year. So I will be picking up shares in the 170 range, 179, 178, around there. And yeah, we'll move from there, guys. Apple is always a great foundational holding in any portfolio. So as I said, I'll continue to do that, and hopefully Apple delivers. Next off, we have Alibaba. We have 5 shares of Alibaba, and we are currently up 6.24%. I think I did buy Alibaba at around 60 something dollars. I think my average is $70 right now. Yeah, $70.24. And we have 5 shares. Yeah, Alibaba, I definitely can see Alibaba doubling from its current price, which should be pretty easy. It has been showing a lot of signs that it wants to break back out to the upside. So I'm paying close attention to that, and I'll continue to monitor it and DCA wherever I see a dip. Next off, we have Google, guys. And Google, we have 3 shares, 3.206 shares, and Google is currently sitting at $137.14. We are down 2.43% in Google, guys. And for Google, I definitely am contemplating picking up another share of Google in this following week. I did have some funds on the side over here, about $259.05 USD. That was from a sale that I made last week with a rinse and repeat with SoFi. So I have the cash here. I was planning to buy back SoFi if it dips back to around the low $8.24 or even $7 if we get lucky. But I'm not sure if that will be happening right now. And I'm thinking maybe I could allocate some of that funds to Google and the rest to TSM. But I will get into that once I get to TSM on the list. But that will give me a share of Google and a share of TSM for the next week. So guys, let me know in the comment section what's your thoughts on that. Should I allocate some of the funds to Google, as I see Google is really undervalued right now? And yeah, instead of waiting for SoFi to dip again, should I just throw it into Google and let it grow there, or let it sit there, or should I just hold out? Let me know in the comment section. So I'm moving over to Microsoft, but I do definitely want to own 5 shares of Google in this portfolio in the short term. So that will just be another step towards that. So Microsoft, we have 1.0915 shares. We are up 5.14, and Microsoft is just Microsoft. It has been performing great. So we definitely want to see what's going on with Microsoft when it comes on to AI. What's the progress over there? And we'll go from there, guys. I do want to own another share of Microsoft in the short term. So we'll see how that goes. You know, it's really pricey. It's currently sitting at $415.50. So Yeah, Microsoft is pretty pricey. Next off, we have Neo, and Neo is currently sitting at $5.78. We have 30 shares. We are down 14.83%. Not really worried about Neo. I'll start to buy some shares. I know I keep saying that, guys, but I will start to pick up some more shares of Neo. And as I said, Neo for me, it's not a 1 year or 2 year hold. It's more like 5 to 10 years. So I'm really not phased by the price action right now. Not at all. Next off, we have Nvidia. We have fractional shares. It's up to 130 right now. I think I put in $110. So it has been performing good, up 17.41%. So that's really good. And let me know, guys, what do you think will be the outcome for Nvidia? Will we see $1,000 a share? Then will we have a stock split? Or let me know what's your thoughts. I'm definitely anticipating a stock split this year. And with that being said, I'd definitely like to own a whole share before it splits, but we'll see how that goes. Next off, we have Tesla, and we own 2 shares in this account of Tesla's. Tesla's currently sitting at $202.64, and we are up 4.22%. And Tesla is been performing really good, guys. It did have a dip a couple weeks back. A lot of people freaked out. A lot of friends turned analysts, telling people to sell, telling people to not buy. Tesla will be down to 140, 160, and look at it, guys. We've never saw those prices as yet for this year. So that being said, guys, I was prepared if Tesla did go to 160, but I didn't think that it would. So I was just buying the dip in the 180s, and yeah, as high as 190, I was buying the dip, guys. So that was for me. Next off, we have TSM, and we currently own 3 shares of TSM. TSM is currently sitting at $133.90. We are up 12.06%, and TSM has been performing really nice. As I said before, guys, I have some cash on the side that I'm thinking I should allocate some of that into TSM and Google, and wondering if I should buy another share. So average price is $119.49. So guys, let me know. Let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think of TSM? I think it's probably one of the safest ways to play the semiconductor role right now, but that's my opinion, right? You have people who take bigger risk and people who are willing to take bigger risk. But with me, I think TSM, it's a safe bet. And with a little exposure to NVIDIA, I should be good. Still contemplating about Palantir. And as you can see, we have SoFi over here. Just waiting on that dip. Next off, we have Visa. We did collect some dividends today for Visa. I'll pull that up right here on the screen. Nothing much, as you can see. We own 2 shares right now. When the dividends did come in, it was 1 share. So it's nothing big, but once you keep reinvesting that dividends, guys, it's going to a better cause. All right, and we are up 3.35% in Visa, and that's it. I hope Visa does have a stock split in the future. After surpassing $300 a share, it's currently sitting at $283, but hopefully that does happen. There are a couple companies here that I would love to see a stock split for, but we just gotta hold out for now. Let me know in the comment section, what company would you like to see a stock split for? Me personally, I'd definitely like to see NVIDIA have a stock split and Costco. And if those two have a stock split, I'll be all over it. I'll be all over it, guys. So yeah, that's basically it for the updates, guys. As I said before, I did sell Neo for a swing trade, and currently right now the funds are sitting in the account. trying to figure out what to do with it. Should I allocate some of that to Google, or should I allocate and TSM, or should I just wait for the dip back with SoFi and pick up some more shares? Let me know in the comment section, guys. And as you can see, that is another portfolio update. Stay invested, stay building on the generational wealth. You know, it's your boy Mr. Stocks on the Go, and I am